Good afternoon, country people dem. Tori for this afternoon, we go talk which kind of palava dem. We be tell una for place where they talk say, they call am say Bonamikano. Na for that side, so for Douala Afo municipality wey dey for inside. Some pikin, e be wan kill e papa for seka say e talk say e papa sell e land. So for palava for fire, we go turn back for that fire wey e pass. For quarter wey they call am say Rayon Ver for inside Lokpom yesterday. 4 pikin dem dey die inside that fire. We go take una to, we go for some better roads wey dey call am say Nyala Chateau. For that road, no other express road for inside Cameroon, e pass express road wey e dey for that side, so for Nyala Chateau. Tori say when newspaper dem say dey talk, we go bring am for na this afternoon. Big part talk e dey tell we say wetin, say belle e no dey fear no nothing. Na for why that way e dey for before. I say belle e no dey fear no nothing. Na for seka why that wey belle e dey na for before. Na Cornelius Aza na he send we big part talk for today. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people dem. Na so we will be knack tori for palava. Some papa wey dey so e pikin e be wan finish with e one time. According to the papa, e be dey na palava say e be sell land for help say make dey look out some other pikin wey no be well for house. But pikin e come, e vex, e ask am say why you get for sell my land. Na Bonamikano that wey we don enter already. Na papa e compound that way we dey for inside. When we even enter say for inside the house, no be na house wey we go talk say something dey for inside. The house e just get e own kind of way. Na papa say that wey e turn up for outside, e own inside e own house, all place e dey jaga. This one dey for e own side, another one dey for e own side. This one na after wey e pikin over vex, e enter for inside house, e talk say lie to lie. Land wey you sell am for look out another pikin wey no be well, you must to give me that money or the land. Na woman that way papa marry and wey papa e dey talk say na a pikin and this woman they don plan join hand join up for say wetin make dem come finish with e one time then take a property. Now when we look inside the house sef, you go look sef say property sef wetin dey inside the house. Na pikin e come e can knack place chakara place for sika plenty vex wey e vex say e papa e sell e land. But papa talk say sell land na for look out another pikin wey e no be well. Na palava for say understand, but last understand e no be dey for that place. Make we hear wetin wey papa get for tell we inside this palava.
Pikin wey e dey sick, wey na pikin for my pikin. He be been with his mommy. Wait, I know there again with his mommy. Your mommy don't come, you don't make only one day as you don't come. Then became fall sick. As you don't fall sick, you go find so woman will go treat for that is sick. Then woman want treat. My wife say no, you go must she call a pa for be kid. I say no. You dey call the pa for be way sick number be as difficult the pa for be. Make we find out some money for take threat begin. He say no, he go must cut he be king. For Shikov say na some plan where they be don't we don't plan which he begin. For say they go come kill me. I don't go find some woman where he go walk down. He pass he being hot. I go call some woman. He say he go walk. That is sick. He say he want money. I don't put money for them. He walk.
So when you put money for down e work, wetin your pikin can do for house?
Oh, I want hear we don chire karate boom, he knock my door. He meet me for inside room. He say ask, you been sat down press for before for sick of so one die, you take threat wey will never die. Today I don't come now for kill you. I go see how you go make am now where I no go finish with you for me donate. Na God don't move me for your hand.
So papa says he say na God. Na so for continue for talk say God na he the lookout Make we enter for different side way accident ebiwowo fire for that side wey they call am say rayon ve na quarter inside Lokpom. You see that house now for far away na better house. Na one section so for the house wey fire enter for day. And this fire so tey now no man e never fit for talk as wey the fire start catch. But Congo side for corner e dey talk say papa e be wan go chop e forget pot on top fire. Na for side wey fire e start. Other one dey talk say they no sabi. Even papa say when they be dey ask papa say who side how the fire start, he say no sabi. Na kitchen that. Fridge e burn all. And even the thing wey supply people dem na say stick for cupboard for kitchen. See as that stick no burn. Na for talk say true that stick e be true. But all thing for inside kitchen. I say all thing e burn. For inside one of the parlor, chair e burn, middle table, other chair dem and other small thing dem as soon as they see am. All thing e burn. See even tele. Na the other small room than that where all beds e burn. Then the one na bed wey dey be dey sleep on top. All thing e burn. Na only the thing that they comot am for outside. Army rescue they be dey. Even Central Commissioner number 4 e be dey. Other people dem for 18 district they be dey. All dem so na for join hand. Na the last thing that way they sell for that pikin dem. Where they put them so inside happen. They small one the way remain. Now wey they tie and so inside happen. All them as so the talk. They dey na for Lakentini hospital. Now so state council e dey struggle for make e investigate. Police people dem say they dey also continue for make investigate. But now wetin happen for that fire? Why they no be fit for help that pikin dem? Na they answer this. The door so they put am so for middle house and na iron they no be fit for broke am enter for inside. Na they do this wey e cause confusion. Wey they block am people they come knock that door. Even the window say they talk say normal for normal house. This kind of window they no get for be for inside house. When a family house, they say security for all corner, security for this side, security for this side. But now they do this way in make am they no be fit for help that pikin them. For Sika say if the place if for they open, so for Sika palava security, the pikin them or that 4 pikin they no for die. That pikin them when they die, they get 7, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3 and 2 years pikin them. Now the 4 pikin them that way they die. Primary school pikin them all them so they never even reach college. So papa them and mommy them. It means say they get for start check now. How will they go born new pikin them? We this also talk Asha for that family. We hear say they call them say Tala family. For that side so for Rayon Ve now for Lokpom with that one he pass. Make we hear wait to wait Captain Afu Hansen he talk after the fire way it happen.
Minutes to 6 o'clock or minutes above 5 o'clock was on fire where they burn for Lokpom here for some people they call and say Rayon Ve. When we can reach for the place, we notice and see some story building in the burn. And occupants inside the story building, they succeed. Although the people they've been an adult, they succeed to run from the place. But now 4 kids where they never get from the place because from the room where they get them, their room forget outside, they get iron door. And the iron door not permit them to leave the place. And if you see the place where the kids they die, they sure say since the heat and the fire they come towards them, they run both one angle because they need to go through the door because it be difficult and risky. Now for the place where they smoke, they come suffocate them for that angle. As you see, if you notice, I'm very well say all them die for the same place where have one angle, and for that angle window be there. Since I smoke picking them, they don't get means for open the window and for run from the place. We carry way back to the place where he would always talk say, when you want to build your house. Not always think about thieves, but think about security. Security for you now in terms of how you feel save yourself in case of danger.
Very good. When you want build house, no check safety people they get for enter. Check now say if fire the cash, I go fit run comot for outside the house. Now they think that if that house the way they be build and they be check say when fire the cash we go fit run comot. We foresee as well for help that pikin them, they for help all that 4 pikin them, they no be die. But they be check now, they say till people they fit enter house. If the people they enter, may they finish with this side, they no go fit for finish with this side. But fire na better thief man. When he enter where you know look out, he carry all thing go. Asha for the Tala family. Now so palava for lights. Market for Dakar, we sabi the name say Madagascar market. That market na place where plenty thing that they happen. People the way they sell can make their business. One the way they go buy. But palava dey for inside that market. Now for sika waiting. I say the market for Dakar, Madagascar market, like that. All kind of thing where you want for buy, you enter for inside market, you go see am. Now big market. Spaghetti o, that way they call am when they say na worm. Whether na maggi o, salt o, even rice, sharp sand, all thing dey inside market. But the market people they waka do their normal work then. So people the way they get place for not business for inside that market. It means say one day they get house for market, they hear bath. I say they hear bath for sika waiting. Light. They say they don't put lights after another people they bring their own. Now other people they ask they say may they give around that kind of 75,000. Someone they say 50,000. For say na some new method the way they don't bring am. See how where they connecting themselves for market. When light increase now, market start born, they go talk say, na the people that they look all like they never do their work fine. But see how they make the thing jaga. But their problem na say someone the day where they don't come for can't thief them. And as when they come for can't thief them, now way some of the business people they don't talk say, lie to lie, they no go fit for pay that money. Say they no go fit for pay that kind of money. Say the one they ask their own. The one they ask their own. Some other even company say way the local light it can give own be. So now all the thing then that way it don't vex market people them for that side for Dakar market. Steve Ebule be put a microphone for some one of the market man where he did do business for Madagascar market. If you want call am on Dakar market to that one na you sabi. The man go tell you the problem where they happen. Where they the one force them for pay some special money for sika palava for light. Make we hear.
For marché Dakar, yeah. People from marché Dakar, you call we lie. We don't know for what you call we lie. Since 3 days, this no man for we family, no man know the chop. We know the get chop for picking for woman. Picking them when them the sick. We know the trap. We know the do nothing. Where we get machine for Dakar. Problem na say na people for Dakar called we lie for nothing. Where all we book now we book this for my hand. Where I pay all my life. The hacks we say we come give them 75,000 francs for bureau before them give we lie again. Where we get abonnement. Now all my abonnement were abonné for an AOD. No get plaba na we na people for market they call we lie.
So country people them. We go take una we enter for inside some village where they call them say Ebang Minala. Yes, Ebang Minala. Now they name that for the village. That village. Now this year, the village here bad. House in no day. Now so poto road save no day. Now this year, even road for boom for pass, it they only go tight. Now their own bridge this, now their own river will bridge that. You see 2018 bridge for village people they no get bridge. Okada say before one pass na trouble. Water say for drink. Water no day for the people there. People they pass now for inside water for sika say we no day for them for pass. When rain is start fall, the people they go hear how. They get their swine where they look at them. But on top that one, even lights, know the village for Milala. Just see the small pikin that they pass a day. They way water rain a plenty for that place. How that place if you look. I say how the place if you look. So people them for Minala, they talk even for their elderly them. Say may they no only go remain for ya when they chop better chop. Then they let them they suffer. Road no day for enter village. I say road no day for enter village. See small moto, they can't type. For second say road no day. Bridge say for them for make better bridge may put the pass. Now 2 stick there they don't put up. If the Okada fall with the 2 people them for inside water, they will talk say waiting. Say they be the worker. Water say where they don't talk say nothing that all mammals to get her. They say 2035 would go for before. But 2035 as 2035 they go with the social thing nothing them. Thing that the social pass. Thing that the social pass. Make we level. That one na Milala. They go talk say na village where they for inside bush. And so waiting. No be na Cameroon. So if na village where they for inside plenty una no get that for fix am. Or you know they for inside Cameroon map. Now, some road there where they don't fix am for inside Douala here for Nyala Chateau. That road, it pass that road where they fix and sell for Manfe. e mean say the express wey that road e dey, the better quota wey they don put am for that road. Una for she don quiet. Make we fair work on top the road small before I can talk. So, make we enter now, so we start knack tori for on top this road. I say we go enter now in the proper na baby disgrace. Chapter 1 that. Na baby shame. That road for Nyala Chateau, where una don see and so we na very good express. Na express road no? Una say so una don see her. Na road where e pass down where they be make and say for that side for Manfe. That road na better road. Why I talk say na express road? Na road wey inside one day e dey spoil 100 motor dem. Na road wey inside one day okada dem say dem dey get accident dem dey plenty time. Na road wey inside one day papa dem dey fall for inside. When rain e fall for on top this road, country people, you wey you no sabi say hole e dey, you dey just go chook your foot for inside, you broke foot. Shatter whether na Chateau na Nyala or na wetin. This road as so na the sea and so country people. Na road wey dey for inside town, and this road stranger the way they go enter for inside Cameroon for 2019 Damba. They go must to pass for the road. Na big disgrace, big shame. Say this kind of face with the social show for inside Cameroon. This kind of time. Governor Bijo come up for go tonton for see how waiting they prepare for Mandamba. Or na say the road you know dey na for part for roadway when train that they can they go the pass. Na road this way when water flop see how motor dey struggle. Motor dey the only tonton. You wey no sabi the whole, sabi whole day. You make mistake, your motor don't spoil. I say your motor don't spoil. Plenty people their motor don't spoil. Inside one day, at least 10 motor dey spoil. Now the story that for Nyala Chateau. Yes, now the story that for that road for Nyala Chateau. We go turn back for day. Make we take una go for that side for Yawinde for side where they call am say Tiko. Yes, na palava for fights. Say me rapun paper they no dey again for inside town. So people them for delegation for environment for that side for Boya. We na Ekwadi Songe. ISSM na that. Oga delegate. E carry all people dem say make they go for Tiko Waf. Sabi say na for day wey all kind of thing dey pass for background. All kind of thing dey pass for backside. Enter for inside Cameroon. So dem say they go for that side. They say make they do pick am. Any small thing, pick am. Any janja thing, pick am. All bend down. Whether we go finish am today. Na that. All dem say even delegate dey. Na dem say they dey talk say make dem no wan rapun paper. But so today people dey ask na question. Rapun paper wey dey be talk say they go make away no go disturb people dem their life. E dey for Cameroon sote now question. And why e be say that no for rapun paper then they also enter for country? How e the money enter for country? Another question we will never fit for answer am. But sabi say the rapun paper e no fine for we o. E no fine. Even as when governor don talk say they go. Sabi say governor own machine e dey go na small. Governor own machine e go na small. Now for sika why that way they talk say better make they start did their palava say all rapun dem must comot na for inside. See na for what that for Tiko. Na for day wey bad business dey happen. So they say make they start am for day. After they comot for day, they go for down beach for Limbe. They show we as well we fit use keep all the way e dey for plastic so that e no go worry people dem. Na palava big day for environment wey the council. Now where people them for environment for Southwest. They don't start teach people them. For BB grammar, they go talk say sensitize. People then say this wrapping paper. E no fine at all. Now prayer for Bishop Balai 1 year e be pass for Ebebga. Now for Saturday. Only way that water for Ebebga be carry flour for his skin. Throw it. Why? All father them for inside Cameroon they throw. Hey, e dey like say fish be get plenty better chop o. Fish wey dey chop na the kind of flour them. So e be then a big ngando for that side. As well they so father them. They be prayer for say make their combi. Jean-Marie Benoit Balawe they be meet up in moto empty for number 31 day for inside number 5 moon 2017 on top Ebebga bridge. Ebebga water. They be go back for day for go prayer for member as well they find in moto and as well they be find it 3 days after. So it be been a big ngando for that side. All bishop them inside Cameroon, all them they be there for Ebebga water day for prayer. Say make Jean-Marie Benoit Balai die body and his soul he rest fine for Saturday day. Sabi say certain no man never talk wetin wey happen and wetin wey e be pass. Inside the same chapter for church, just for Sabi say Emmanuel Balanjo Bushu Sesep e be there for Boya for Kadle University for say congratulate for that pikin dem. Where they be go Musanga for that side so for Marwa Bringa. The first time where they win go Musanga. Reverend Father George Nkeze, Yan Mitori.
For any big country and for any fine country, when some man do some fine thing, if I may talk say don't do some fine thing. So Founders Day, na that day way the university we talk say we there for university because some man someday we wake up talk say one start some university go and say entrepreneur university. And that university don't bring so many blessings for this school. For picking them when they are abroad, they don't travel all over the world, faculty staff. That's one man we do. And that one man now, Bishop Mawe Bushu. For we for CUIB, we believe say, unlike many Cameroonians, when they see fine thing, they don't like to acknowledge them. When they talk say, when something fine, talk say some man do some fine thing. And so Founders they will talk say Bishop Bushu will be studying university if he do some fine thing. And I will come for congratulating and for praise say, make that fine thing put in place. Will continue before. For any big country.
So, now Reverend Father George Nkeze, that's father for inside the Catholic University for side for Boyam. After Bishop Bushu, he be turned for inside the place more for talk congratulate. For a picking the way they go fight war, then come back with better result. Now so make we talk other this palava for this Okada man. Now for that side, so for Boya, they call the place a Long Street for Boya side. Where Okada man says where he don't deny say he no go ever wash, he no go ever brush him up. Now he own combi then says Okada people them. They carry go for water where they wash Okada and moto them. They carry go put them for inside that water. They talk say pa the man, Oga Gibet. You must wash. I say you must wash. Sabi say the man, all man wey dey enter for Okada, he dey complain. Gilbert, why he dey num so? Why he dey num? Why he dey num? Now when the Okada put they buy soap, they buy eau de javel, they buy all thing wey they use and wash clothes self. They carry their combi go for water. Take time. They let me make him he comot he close them. He comot he close them. They let him make comot he close. Comot your close them. Comot all close them. Then after. They say, Paddy man, can we go for inside that water? We go for inside that water. People they don't over talk. Say you know the wash. Now that enter for inside water. Now your own combi they say they take hand, take soap, take all disabel, take all kind thing them. They start washing. You see no? Now your own combi that Okada people them. Now they say they take soap, put all thing for a system. They start washing. Wash it. Don't say Papa, your own num don't too much. It over smell. Try wash. You see, they put your hand for up. Wash and so they wash it, empty them. Wash all thing for a system. They say you only be done too much. If you wear one clothes for I'll talk say na 1 year or I'll talk say na 2 years. Now so they wash it, even brush it, nobody brush teeth. They take brush to the chook for inside mop. Say come for here. Open your mop. You say your mop to the smell. They wash it fine. After they finish wash it all, they give new clothes, new shoes. Then they give one man to may use and wash ibele. You understand? Country fashion. Now the thing that we pass for that side for Long Street, for inside Boya. Now we go talk small palava for die with just for member say Ella Joffrey, we na Toriman for inside the Sun newspaper too. Now this weekend, so called the people way pass, where they be buried Ella Joffrey, he die body, he start for work and for Friday, for that side, so for Limbe Regional Hospital, where family peoples, Tory peoples, where they come up for all kind of place, and even big people there like Senator Mbelamuki Charles, all them be there for say me they see Ella Joffrey and for talk say Ella Joffrey, bye-bye, Ebibina editor-in-chief for the Sun newspaper. Plenty Tory people them, they be there for talk Asha for Ella Joffrey, and apart from the Tory people them, as I talk, we get Senator Mbelamuki Charles where he too, he become meet up with the Tory people them for talk Asha for them. Sabi say Senator Sesep, he be been a correct combi for Tory people them for that side, so for inside Southwest. So when Tory man die, he did like say na own person Sesep will die. So Senator Sesep and other Tory people them, all they be there for talk bye-bye for Ella Joffrey be the editor-in-chief for the Sun and newspaper. Sabi say Ella Joffrey died na after we some Okada, a movie for game where he just come out for Douala for do some work. He one cross enter back. Then one time Okada, he can movie for game. Then one time he die. So Ella Joffrey he start for worker for that side so for Limbe and Senator Sese Aswa Tong Mbelamuki he be dede. Now make we see as well be happen for village Sese for Bangem. Sabi say after Boya Limbe will be go to for Bangem site where he be then aside he be then at the last place where they go bury him. Now time that way moto he be land for Ella Joffrey a village where they call and say in Kikom for Kupe Maninguba a subdivision. So he be then a BB cry too as we die body for Ella. He come with people the way they come up for Limbe for Canberry Ella. Sabi say been a big crime and big losses for family for Ella where he dey so na a big mammy sesep he be lukoti so te he be big as we dey so he no sabi papa and he no be sabi imami. So a big mammy he be only remain for village only for ye for come meet up say a pikin wey don look out and so te be feel say na he go give small chop na he wey the pikin sesep he don die. So na the villagers for Bangem where they carry Ella go for day even big mammy sesep cry so te wey he no be there for sesep for cry for say say the thing he be really passing. Na big mammy that as soon as they see na big mammy that for Ella. So can the people them now for day we finish story them for this afternoon. Maybe we'll go quick enter for story the way newspaper then talk before we finish this afternoon for this side. Inside the Star newspaper wait there for outside this afternoon. Country people them the Star newspaper waiting there for the strong number for inside the Star. We go take one strong number for them. The Star newspaper wait there for outside. It announce a talk as we Minister Arenen got a house the born am for man fame. No man no sabi waiting it happen for that house we born. So for inside the Star you feel read some story where talk say Presbyterian church pastor when a Presbyterian church pastor for Likoko Membia Pastor Bizu Felix and 14 other people they sleep straight for some accident way pass. Other to read the day where if you read them for inside the Star as we even talk as we fun for Fontem if we go do some small worker for governor office for that side so for Southwest. We go enter for inside another story we dey for outside the Sun or the Post newspaper. Inside the Post newspaper they tell we say Northwest population they talk for Mosonge wetin say they don't tire for a commission. This one now for the work away Mosonge be make am for inside Northwest. They tell we too as we Babenga prisoner people then they don't free after we the prison sesep e be born. Other to read the day for inside the Post way you feel read them. We enter now so for inside the Guardian Post newspaper. They tell we say waiting palava for Northwest and Southwest. Plenty church people them for Presbyterian church. They don't detect technically call them where it is so when some people there they no sabi them. They detox say me they help money. If not they go show them pepper. Now for inside chapter for Northwest and Southwest. Sabi say na today too we Oga Minister for Transport Jean Enes a camp for can start for launch some program where they get for comot all cargo them for Douala Seaport for say make space e enter for them. Make we enter now so for the Sun newspaper say we dey for outside. Inside the Sun they tell we say waiting Frundi he don't talk another one again he tray for on top the arm. This one now for chapter for Pin wait wey happen for Pin according to wait wey Frundi talk now for show say waiting Nkunkuma he no like Anglophone people them. Tori too for the Sun he big editor wey die he dey too for inside the Sun and palava confusion for SDF too for Southwest he dey for day. So now the story then that where newspaper then talk, maybe the last one will enter for the na Eden newspaper. Before we forget, Eden newspaper to be come out for outside today. Just for Sabi say Eden too, he carry na the same story them where other one they carry, but this papa don't lost na pa that. This pie name they calling Awungafak David. He lost for number 2 day for inside this very moon around that kind of 7 o'clock for sun time. They talk set already pa he come out for a house where they call him say non-glacé. Pa he be wear some trusses where he gets some trusses and some shirt for his skin in a white color. They say the pa he talk French and English and the pa he hate in no turn fine. So any person, papa, the family, they call an Awamba family, they beg any person who don't see this papa or they keep the papa, make a call this tingly number them 672-093-624, 676-654-944, or he bring it for a Kingdom Story House. They say plenty dash. Et dit you. La famille Wamba annonce la disparition de leur père, le nommé Awungafak David, le samedi 2 juin 2002, aux environs de 7 h du matin au lieu dit village si à non glacé. Au moment de sa disparition, M. Awungafak David s'était vêtu d'une pantalon de couleur marron et d'une chemise de couleur blanche. M. Awungafak s'exprime en langue française et en anglais. Il ne jouit pas de toutes ses facultés physiques et mentales. La famille Wamba prie toute personne qui hébergerait leur père de bien vouloir se rapprocher du service commercial Equinox télévision ou au défaut de le contacter au numéro suivant 672-093-674-676-654-944 contre une très forte récompense. So, now the story then that for this afternoon, we want to say big thank you for Lady Pone and Matilda Kemazu with the joy hand for saying me this story work fine. I go turn back for some time tomorrow. Make una all am tight.
Madame, Monsieur, bonsoir. Une nouvelle édition de Géopolise cette semaine, c'est sur Equinox Télévision. Je vous souhaite la bienvenue à ce programme. Assurément, avec notre invité, l'histoire n'a aucun secret, tant à l'échelle du Cameroun qu'à celle mondiale, puisqu'il en a fait son métier. En effet, le professeur Daniel Abois est une figure éminente du monde de l'histoire, lui qui vient de totaliser une bonne trentaine d'années au sein du département d'histoire de l'Université de Yaoundé 1 et va achever sa carrière au poste de secrétaire général de cette université dans quelques temps. Un tel background en a fait un témoin privilégié de la marche du Cameroun